This is a demonstration of using Android Studio 4.1.2. I will create a new project. I will choose the template, a simple one, bottom navigation activity from the phone and tablet selections, then next, and then give it a name. Okay, the location will be in your preferred folder. Language Java, SDK, I choose Marshmallow, depend on what you want. Then finish. It will take a few minutes if this is a proxy setting will pop up. So I'm not using any proxy, just leave it blank. Yes, then wait for it to load. It is quite slow. If you can see at the bottom part, Gradle is configuring projects, build the model, and you have to wait. Okay, we'll wait. Here status is sometime changing to the next phase. Okay, then you have the structure. As you can see, there is project resource manager. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to add our resources. Okay, there are a few ways on how to do that. First, make sure that you can see the preview of the app. Usually the preview will appear if you choose the XML file. So by default, it's already displaying activity in XML. If some of your toolbar, for example, palette is missing, you have to reset, restore default layout, then you'll get back some of the toolbar. What we are going to do is we are going to insert an image. So all you have to do is locate the palette toolbar and then image view and drag and drop it to the mobile screen. Okay, then these are the listed image from the template itself. So you need to add your own image. Click the plus button and then choose your preferred image. Okay, I have a few files, so I can use shift and then select the files. Two files here, JPEG and PNG. Click OK. So this is the preview, and then you can proceed. Okay, so it will appear in the listing. If it's not appearing, you click refresh preview pane. I will select the new file that I have imported and then click OK. Here I will drag this image view, drop it again, select MMU logo and then click OK. There will be a warning here, so you can have a look what is the warning. Missing constraint in constraint layout. You can have a look what is constraint is all about. So it says that it will be positioned at 0, 0 if you don't have a constraint. So to put a constraint, you just select this image, then go to the properties or attributes, and then we go to constraint widget. So I put top constraint. For example, you can put it is 5 pixels away from the uh, the previous object. There are code view. This is the XML code. Split, you can see the design and code, or if you prefer to work in design only, then you see only the visual. Okay, next you look at any other warning. Here it says image without content description. So you look for content description. There are two warnings here. Usually warning is something that you should fix. So look for the content description. Okay, it's here. We zoom in. Content description is somewhere in the common attributes. So if everything is okay, for anything and then you can run. Yeah, the run button is this green button. Downloaded. There are a few versions, so it's somewhere here. Abd Manager. So Abd Manager allows you to choose which type of Okay, the Abd Manager allows you to run emulator based on a particular device that you have chosen. So currently I have downloaded the emulator for this current particular model, Pixel XL with Android 11. So if you want to add more virtual device, you have to download, but you only need one. And each of these is quite large. For example, the download size is around 1 gig, and after installation it takes 8 close to 9 gig in my hard disk. Okay, so if you can run and then choose the device that you preferred, okay, it will be indicated in the emulator. If the emulator is not visible, it's somewhere here. Yeah, so there's a shortcut emulator to be hidden or visible. Okay, so that's the image displayed in our app. Okay, currently there's no other content because we only place the image in the middle of the screen. Okay, the properties should be as shown here. So you can place right after the container, I put the image and then followed by navigation bar and then the navigation post fragment. The end.